Hi, so today I'm going to be doing a squishy haul. I'm with my dog. She's just laying down, having so much sleeping time. And, so I'm going to find out where to put this camera so I can start doing my squishy haul. Because I really want to make a really fast video. So don't mind the mess, please, because, so let's start off with my soccer squishy. You can get these at Michael's and Dollar General. So this is my first squishy I ever got. It's a football squishy. I got this at Michael's. It's pretty slow rising. My second squishy was this basketball squishy. So I just cracked my fingers. Then there is space ball squishy, which is like super squishy. This is so squishy. What color is this? Like, it is so nice and squishy and just adorable and amazing, and I love it. And yeah, my dog is staring at me like I'm crazy. It's so squishy. The next one is this soccer ball. It's very squishy as well. I also have this tennis ball. It's very squishy. It looks like a pickle. It looks like a pickle with white stripes when it's squished. Like that. And probably the squishy ball, a goal. Like, you can see inside of it, and it's like so squishy. It's so squishy. Next, I actually have a stress ball. So my teacher has this. So yeah, just a stress ball. I like doing this. Okay, next, I have some mice. Let me just show you those really quick. There is Lucy, Lola, Biscuit, Star, Angel, Lucky, and of course, you can't leave without having this one, Aqua. So these are all. I have 7 mice. A girl in my class has some, like 4, but I beat her, so get that. Anyways, sorry. I'm so sorry. Anyways, I said get that to you guys, not to her, just in case she's watching. I didn't say that to you, Alani. I said that to them. Okay, so I have some mini squishies. Let's start with the donuts. I have 2 donuts. So I have this donut. It's a white donut. Wait, a little bite taken out of it. And let me just squish it from the back. It is so squishy. And excuse my ugly nails. Next, I have this. My dog's really getting... Let me just show you how covered she is. She is covered in these. So let's just keep going. I have this chocolate donut. And it's like even more slow rising than that one. It's really cute. Next, I have this waffle. Next, I have 2 cupcakes. I'm doing this one first. So we have sprinkles on the very top. And this is how it looks. So let's squish it. Look how squishy this is. So I'm going to do this one now. This one is the squishiest thing I've ever seen in my whole entire life. Now I'm going to let it rise so I can push it downwards. Which is going to take a really long time. I just remembered I got this really good candle. It's like over there, and I'm like, just getting that smell in my body. And it smells amazing. It's a green tea candle. It's really nice. So I have 2 channels, by the way. If you search up Passion Rivera on the internet, which it's PASSS, there's 2 S's, ION, and then RIVERA for part, because a lot of people don't spell it right, even though it totally autocorrects you. So, thank you guys for watching my video. I don't know if I'm going to post it or not, but I probably will if you're watching. Oh, also, I need to go get something. Some of people, if you probably remember this guy, he's covered in dust. My polar bear and my bunny from, not my bunny, my colorful bear from Orlando. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!